You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Spanish origin, even though before that it's Hebrew. It's derived from the Hebrew name Efraim. Now, that's the Spanish version of it. The Spanish pronunciation is pronounced as Efrain. It usually has an accent on the I, meaning that the stress is on that in syllable. Efrain. That's how it's said in Spanish. In English, therefore, pronounced as English pronunciation Efrain. Efrain from Spanish Efrain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.